This is where you will come after the training is complete, either to revise or whenever you need to use any of the forms. The Headhunt forms, competency questions and Boolean search are all unique in that they are forms, but they're links to documents which can be edited, whereas the other forms are all just editable online. If you click on the Boolean search button, you'll see it's a document which is simply a guide to using Boolean search strings. The headhunting icon is a link to all of the working documents that we discuss in the training relating to the presenting of information to your clients. Here's the search report template, which is also guidelines for putting together a search report at various different levels, pulling together all the data that we have and the forms that we use within the Headhunt button. And these are also taught throughout the training. So from the org chart themselves to the working document, you can find it all here in an example. With the other forms, both the manager and the user can change or add to any of the content in real time. Any changes the manager makes affects everyone's form in that company. Any change a user makes only affects their own form. So for example, a manager may want to change the entries that make up the job spec form. He or she will go into the form, edit it, save it, and then each user's job spec form will update and be ready to print. If a user wants to add further, they go through exactly the same process and only their form will be altered. Recruiters and managers can also add their own forms. This gives every company and further every user a uniquely tailored experience. Simply enter the title of the form that you want to create, and then you can cut and paste the form in here, or you can type freehand. Type your information, and then you can change the font size, the color of the font and so on, and then you can save it. This can be done whether you're a recruiter or indeed a manager, and it really is that simple. Once you've completed your newly created form, it will appear as an app button in the form section, and you can drag and drop it to whichever position that you like, and it'll be there for you to view, and you can also print the document whenever it's required.